Sing. I waited all day long. Just to hold you, hit you with a chrome. Boom, boom, boom. And exactly like I thought it would be. Thought it would be, yeah. Pistol whip, some nigga name kid. So, I said, take it from the top, son. So hard. I waited all day long. Just to hit you with the chrome. With the chrome? With the chrome, you know. Yeah. And I thought it was gonna be. What's it gonna be, niggas? Me pistol. Weapon down. See, I'm trying to sleep down here. Take one time, son. And that shit was, he's down in ATL. To the hell yeah? Yeah. And it's, como te llamo? Yeah. What's your name? It shouldn't be J-Ho. Them was on the cars, and that ain't true. Yeah, that's a little bit quiet up there. I like that. That's like a lullaby to me down here. Yeah, I'm downstairs. I'm not the professional. Yeah, the person. Yeah, you understand me? Can I put the beef in the taco? That's part two. And if you don't know from the start, yeah. Teddy Pendergrass ain't never got no head, no car. I need the Eddie Murphy. You know, he fucked up fans up there. She just even like him on Showtime. I love him so much. I'm gonna see if he like one of those. He's just brought him back from the dead, but it's not him. It's a shim because it's a man and a woman just with the click on the outside. All right, sure. You know what I'm saying? Bless the chief. Hey, I'm a federal agent. Aviation, work our location up there. That's why I be flying UAS. Nigga, production was stuck in the edge. Or shit. Down the carpet, come on shit. Nigga, super tycoon nigga. Rap guard, hey, rap guard, G.O.D. Down here bestowed upon me. He that in me greater than he that is in the W-O-R-L to the D. Pop protege, no, not yet. N-D, what? Jesus, watch, motherfucker, hey. I got cool and coffee, that's why I'm no, this shit, nigga, that's implants for the skin, nigga. They just buy this bitch. Y'all niggas was lacing my shit and put on rocks and something, nigga. But so as a man thinking, so is he. I ain't thinking nothing like that. So I don't smoke crack, bitch. Like, G-Minus wanna be Jay-Z's ass. In front of the fest thing, nigga, where we have food together. No man put us under. Oh my God. I love the smoke, buddy. All right.